Hey guys, this is AP Breaks, and today we have some more random hobby packs, but this time, we actually have more variety. So I have one pack of 2007 Topps Total, another 2007 Topps, just regular Topps Football, 2013 Topps Football, 2 packs of that, 1 pack of Elite 2020, and 3 packs of Legacy 2020. And I just saw this, and then that pack is like really big. So I'm probably gonna do it like, and then put the Legacy at back. So yeah, I'm gonna start like this. Let's start. Oh my gosh. Okay. Mark Bulger, Champ Bailey, Deion Branch, Phillip Rivers, and Damian Tomlinson, and Eric Dickerson, running back royalty. That's a sweet card. That's probably, yeah, just an advertisement probably. And then Brett Favre, Greg Jennings, Dallas Baker, and David Clowney. Okay. 1 second, I just need to move some stuff. Okay. Yeah, this is a different place from my usual setup. I'm just somewhere else, not in my usual spot. Okay. So first is Robert Mathis and Anthony McFarland, Chad Johnson, Marquise Douglas, rookie card of Chris Henry, Clark Harris, Drew Bennett, Topps Total Carson Palmer, put that over there, and then I have TJ Duckett, and then Lofa and Leroy, and then O'Neal, and then Banker. And then let's move on to 2013 Topps Football. 2013. I haven't seen this stuff yet, so let's just see. So Ryan Williams, Mario Williams, Geno Atkins, All-Pro 2012, Matt Ryan, Gridiron Legends, Troy Aikman, rookie of Alec Ogletree, that's a pretty good rookie, Theo Riddick rookie, Miguel, I'm not going to try, Tavon Austin, and Austin, come on. These names are confusing. Okay, second pack. This stuff. Okay. Washington, Roberts, AJ Green, Andrew Hawkins, and we got a mini card. Vince Wilfork. And then we have Mingo, Chandler Jones, Chance Warmack, DJ Hayden, and then Max Unger, I think. 2012 All-Pro. And then let's move on to Elite. So I did get these at Oak Leaf Collectibles or Oak Leaf Comics. You should check it out. It's a really sweet place. Like, really cool place. Okay. Melvin Gordon. Oh, what the heck? Why are all the corners like dinged? Okay, I don't know. Miles Sanders and Lynn Bowden Jr. That is a Pen Pals. Sweet. So we did get a hit. Sweet. Black ink, so it's not numbered. Darius Leonard and Cooper Kupp. Now let's move on to Legacy. Last 3 packs. Matthew Stafford, Marlon Mack, DJ Moore, Nate Stanley under the lights. He is on the Vikings now. All the corners are like, okay. Fan favorites, Khalil Mack, Legends, Randy Moss, T. Higgins, and Van Jefferson. This pack might have a filler, I think. Yeah, that's a filler. So we have Quentin Nelson, Chris Carson, Vaughn, Tre'Davious White, filler, Lamar Jackson record books, Warren Moon, Lipscoop, and I'm not going to try to pronounce that name. Okay, now let's go to the heck. Okay. Devin Singletary, Adam Thielen. Okay, here we go. So we have LaShawn Schultz. Wait, I think we just... Oh, that's a really chunky patch. That's really nice. That's really sweet. So that is my first ever RPA pull. Like ever. So that's really sweet. And it's like a really nice card. And then Lamar Jackson. Legends, Randall Cobb. I mean Randall Cunningham. And then Derek Brown and Chase Claypool. So that is the end of the video. And here are the 2 hits. Well, this, I just felt this, but there's like a little bit of peel right here, so I might send that back to Panini so I can just get that fixed, because that's like not that good. And then we got a Pen Pals, Lynn Bowden Jr. So, yeah, that's sweet. We didn't get any other numbered cards, which was kind of weird, but that was sweet. Well, that's the end of the video. AP Breaks is out, and have a nice night.